Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the Disney character filter on TikTok. So for that, if you're looking for a effect here, you will not get the effect here because this filter are from Snapchat and Instagram. So in this video I'm going to show you a filter that is from Snapchat. So before starting the video, you go and install Snapchat. Okay, so once you have Snapchat, you can to this website. I'll keep in the description box below. So let's go to the page. Yeah, this is the effect. Here in this page you will see the snap code for this filter. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snap code with your Snapchat mobile app, and if you're browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snap code and open it with Snapchat. Okay, you will see this pop-up on Snapchat. Tap on unlock for 48 hours. Okay, and there you go, you got the filter. So what we have to do, we have to record a video here in Snapchat and we'll save the video to our camera roll, and from there we can use the video in TikTok. So let me record a small video. Okay, let's save it. Okay, let's go to TikTok. Okay, this is the upload button here. This is the video we just made. Select the video, hit next. If you want to edit something, you can edit in this page. You can add some sounds, sticker, whatever you want. Then once you are done with all editing, you can hit next and you are ready to share it to your TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can do this Disney character filter thing on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.